It's another oatmeal morning. This isn't just any oatmeal. So we have 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oats in there. Now we're gonna put 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm just using my little sugar jar here to do this, so we'll just eyeball it like that. Okay, we got all that mixed. We're gonna turn it on to medium-high heat for now. We're putting in 1.5 cups of water, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of heavy cream. This, my friends, is Black Bear oatmeal. It's a chocolate oatmeal. It's almost like the chocolate gravy that we make, the chocolate gravy for biscuits, you know, but in oatmeal form. The kids absolutely love this. They'll be really excited. They already love oatmeal anyway, just regular oatmeal. They'll be really excited when they find out it's the Black Bear oatmeal. It's called Black Bear just because it's, you know, dark and chocolate. Okay, the last thing we need is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And that's it. We just let this cook like we do our regular oatmeal. Now for our regular oatmeal, we use brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of it too. And we usually sprinkle just a little bit more brown sugar over the top of it, and it's just right. So for this one, if you want it sweeter, just add a little more sugar. Like I would start with just the 2 tablespoons, and then when you taste it, if you think it needs to be a little sweeter, just, you know, sprinkle a little more into your oatmeal in your bowl or whatever. You could also add peanut butter to this, and it would be kind of like, y'all know those no-bake peanut butter chocolate cookies that we make? It'd be kind of like that, but oatmeal. Super fancy lunch going on today, y'all. Ham sandwiches, baked barbecue chips, and cucumbers. It's a quick and easy lunch today. Those are the best kind. After lunch, and when the kids finish up their seat work, I'm gonna be going out to clean up in the backyard. There's a couple of spots I wanna clear out before all the leaves start falling off the trees. Can you grab their feeder? We'll be back with feed, ladies and gentlemen. Almost ran into a spider web. All right, I'm gonna try to clear out this section right here this afternoon. This is just a lot of little bitty tiny things popping up everywhere that we can easily clear out. Have a little bit more room back here in the backyard, just to that tree line right there. I'm just gonna clear out from the chicken coop, just in front of these trees. You see where the big trees start? Just right there, just clear all this brush out right here. Hercules! Here's the after. It's much better. We still have a few little things to get here and there, but yeah, that is much, much better. And an acorn just fell. Those things will hurt if they hit you in just the right spot, falling from those trees. Okay, y'all, we've been back inside for a little while. That wore me slap out. So when we got done, I sat on the back porch for like 30 minutes and didn't move. No movement for half an hour. Anyway, now it is time to cook supper. Tonight, we're gonna make a chicken quesadilla casserole, but y'all remember those barbecue chicken tostadas we made? I think it was 2 Fridays ago. I think it was on a Friday. Seems like it was a Friday. Anyway, the kids loved it, so we're gonna do a BBQ Quesadilla Casserole tonight. The chicken is almost done. I started it when we got back in here, and then we're just gonna shred it, layer everything up in the casserole dish, and it goes in the oven for 30 minutes. This is a quick one, especially if you already have some chicken cooked and ready to go, or a rotisserie chicken. And Aldi has that pulled chicken that they sell, like the pulled pork. That would also be good. Also, mosquitoes were on a rampage out there. I'm very itchy right now. Okay, I think this chicken's done. When I shred the chicken, I'm just gonna put it into a bowl because we're gonna put the barbecue sauce all over the chicken. I'm using Kinder's hickory and brown sugar, and have a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy. I would put my chicken in my KitchenAid to shred it, because I mean it does it in like boom, super quick. Do I want to do that? You know what, I'm gonna do it. I was gonna say I wasn't gonna do it because chicken flies everywhere when you do it, but I'll just throw a towel over it, and yeah, we're gonna do it in the KitchenAid because it'll be a lot faster. Close your eyes. For real, if you don't have something over it, it goes everywhere. See, a whole big piece. This, more big pieces are coming. Okay, let's calm that down. Okay, let's see if we can add this back in now. All these pieces came flying out. But it does the job quick. See, it's almost done. That's good. I also like doing it in the KitchenAid because it can shred it a lot finer than you can by hand. See that? It's great. Okay, so now I'll just use this bowl instead of this one, and we'll mix the barbecue sauce with the chicken. I might have a little bit too much chicken here. I'm gonna take some of this out and put it in a little bowl, just in case I have too much. If not, we can add it back in. If this is extra, we'll have some chicken salad for lunch tomorrow. I'm just gonna take this top completely off the Kinder's because I know we wanna use this whole bottle of barbecue sauce. I love all their sauces, all the ones we've tried, we love. I'm gonna put just a little bit of water in here to shake this up to get it all out. The honey hot is my favorite. Okay, let's mix this and see if we need to add the Sweet Baby Ray's. Yep, I think we're definitely gonna need to add it. All right, so we're spraying a 9x13 casserole dish. And we're gonna put down a layer of tortilla shells first. I'm trying to decide if I need to cut these. No, I think I'll just do them like this. Yeah, that'll be fine. It's only gonna take 2. This is the really large ones. Now we're gonna put down some of the chicken. Spread that out. And I'm gonna open a can of diced tomatoes and drain them. You can just use Rotel here, but I don't have any Rotel, so I'm just doing the tomatoes and peppers separately. But if you have Rotel, you can just drain a can of that and use, you know, put half of it on right now. Did I preheat my oven? No, I didn't. So let me preheat the oven to 375. Now we're gonna put our tomatoes on here, just spread them all around. Now we're gonna put some peppers, and I'm only gonna put the peppers on half of it. That way, if anybody doesn't want peppers, we have this half without. Now we're gonna put some cheese. I'm just using some thin sliced sharp cheddar that I had in the refrigerator. And now we repeat. The last 2 tortilla shells. Now we're gonna cover this with some foil, and it's going in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna take it out, take the foil off, and we'll put some cheese on top and put it back in just long enough to melt the cheese. And then we'll top it with some fresh tomatoes and more peppers on the pepper side. And that's it. All right, Miss Turkey, it's ready for you.
Hello, I'm a big boy, not a little kid.
You're not a little kid?
Here, chicken, chicken, chicken. Ooh, 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 ooh.
That's great.
Here she
There
goes.
she is.
This is me riding my bicycle, following Mama and Manly.